was gonna send on YouTube. I know you sent on YouTube
This is
about
called a barred owl. Barred owl. And he makes a pretty interesting sound. He sounds like someone saying, "Who cooks for you?" If you hear an owl call at night, you listen. You'll hear another owl answering this owl. We'll call it a barred owl. Look at that face.
So beautiful.
Why does an owl have such a big head?
to see.
Why does he have a big head? Look at his face. It's flat. He can move his feathers like this and pick up. And listen, real quiet. Listen. An owl has soft feathers. He flaps his wings. No sound. Silent. What do you think?
Do you want to pet him?
He bites.
Gently.
It's a bite up.
Oh, no, he doesn't.
He'll get you. When he sees your hand, you know what he thinks? You gotta feed him.
Food, yeah.
I want to pet him. Like when I was going to the back to the zoo, I never chop up I was like, he's been doing it for 4 decades. Competitive.
Gabriel, no, please, no. Come here, honey.
What are you?
Come here, Gabriel.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this. What are you? What are you? And then you say what?
Good fun.
Bro, look at that. Look at what. Oh, look at that cute thing.
It's okay. Aubrey. Aubrey. Aubrey, honey. Come here. Come here. You're okay. You want to sit here?
Are you gonna post this on YouTube? No, I'm gonna post it on my TikTok. Post it on YouTube. I wanna be on YouTube. Okay, YouTube and TikTok. Hey, YouTube. And say hi to TikTok. Hi, TikTok. Make a funny face. Yeah.